AI.
Everything that moves will be robotic someday.
We're at the very, very early stage of the intelligence Big Bang.
Artificial intelligence.
This is like a crazy amount of power for one piece of technology, and it's happened to us so fast.
Your phone, your car, your drone, all of them just got a brain. In our last video, we explored agentic AI, AI that plans, decides, and acts. Now, we're turning to a different but deeply connected frontier, Edge AI, intelligence that lives on your device. Edge AI brings computing power to the very edge of the network. No cloud required. IBM finds 42% of large enterprises already deploy AI on local devices, with 40% still experimenting. Analysts predict the global edge AI market will exceed $25 billion in 2025, and adoption is accelerating. Edge AI runs on-device, close to where data is generated. That reduces latency, improves privacy, and frees you from heavy cloud infrastructure. Unlike cloud-centric systems, Edge AI works even with low or intermittent connectivity. Deloitte reports 47% of organizations are accelerating AI adoption, rising to 73% among top performers. Today's Edge AI is powered by ultra-efficient chips, smart sensors, and embedded intelligence. For real-time intelligent agents, like those from our agentic AI video, edge computing is essential. The cloud is powerful, but distance adds latency. A self-driving car, industrial robot, or smart camera cannot afford lag. Edge AI lets devices sense, decide, and act where the data lives. Factories using edge sensors report 20% less downtime thanks to predictive insights, faster workflows, smarter agents, real-world impact. Edge AI isn't future tech, it's happening now. Healthcare. Wearables and medical devices running diagnostics locally, logistics, drones and smart devices managing supply chains in real time. Consumer tech. Phones and PCs running local AI models. Gartner predicts that by 2025, 31% of shipped PCs will be AI capable, many using edge architectures. Devices are becoming dramatically smarter. What does this mean for your work and creativity? Speed, instant decisions, privacy, sensitive data stays local. Scalability, millions of devices can run AI without cloud bottlenecks. McKinsey estimates Edge plus generative AI could automate up to 30% of work hours in some industries by 2030. Combine this with agentic systems, and smart device plus smart agent becomes your new workflow. None of this works without the semiconductor revolution. NPUs, efficient silicon, and on-device model compression make Edge AI possible. ARM Holdings recently expanded its licensing program for Edge AI, enabling 300-plus companies to build on-device AI chips faster. That's faster innovation, lower cost, and wider adoption. Edge intelligence has risks: model security, algorithm drift, device updates, and bias all matter. If your device includes an autonomous agent, who takes responsibility when it acts? Many pilots fail to scale due to immature hardware ecosystems. Oversight and governance are critical for real value. Here's where you come in. Identify devices or workflows where real-time decisions matter. Imagine adding local intelligence. Prototype small edge AI tools, monitor results, then integrate with agentic systems, where your device not only computes but initiates action. The combination of agentic plus edge is your future advantage. By 2030, the edge AI market may exceed $140 billion. Devices will be smart, local, and networked, trusted agents in your workflow. Last video explored agentic AI. This video shows where that intelligence lives. Next time, we'll take the next step: AI and human augmentation, how humans and machines combine, not compete. Subscribe to NeuroPulse, enable notifications, and comment. Which device do you think gets smarter next, and why?